Hello friends, today we are going to unbox the MacBook Pro latest model. So this model Apple has released and has come totally out of Intel processor. So they have introduced a new processor which is called ARM processor and M1 chip model, and they with this actually they are completely owning the hardware and software for the MacBook Pro model. So I just bought a laptop which is a MacBook Pro 13 inch, and the configuration is 16 GB processor like a RAM and 256 GB SSD. And let's open the box and see how the first experience of the box is there. So it has come with a nice box actually. So there was a wrapper on top of it. I just removed it, and this is the box actually. So let's open and see how it is. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the first experience of this MacBook Pro. Okay, it looks very good. I feel little heavy weight, because actually I also use XPS, and that is comparatively less weight. But I have to check the weight again in the internet, what they are providing, what they are mentioning. Okay, so what is there inside the box? First, let's see what are the things are there. So MacBook is there. Okay, it has come with a fully wrapped cover, and there is a cover in the entire thing. Okay, so this is the latest model for now. So they have the Thunderbolt, and they have the provision to connect to the USB, not the USB, the headset. Okay, so what else is there? Okay, they have this charger. It's a good one, designed by Apple in California. Okay, nice. Okay, they have the charger. Okay, so these all are the items there inside the box. So as soon as we unbox the MacBook Pro, we can find the laptop, and as well as we have a charger, and there is a catalog, so which mostly we don't be required actually, as we are seeing many of the laptops actually we don't be requiring to go through the catalog actually. And let me remove this cover and see. Yeah, it's asking for the general configuration stuff. It actually identify the country name by itself, so it has chosen with the country name Japan. And okay, let's look at the computer first, actually the finishing.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, so they have given the option to set up over the voice and through the voice over. Yes, this is a new facility, I believe, because I have never used a MacBook earlier. Okay, so the finishing actually it is really good, and the buttons, commands, everything is really good. Okay, so you can see the speaker here, and this is a Touch ID, so we can increase the volume and reduce the volume. So here also for the brightness, okay, I can reduce the brightness. So this Touch ID is very friendly. So the voice over, okay, I just press the escape button and they were looking for the voice over, but I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, so I'll be setting up this computer, and later I will post more videos about the performance and how it can be compared with the XPS. But if you see, right, actually this is a MacBook XPS. I have it next to me. So this is the 13 inch, and here this is also 13 inch, but if you see, the monitor utilization is only this area, and there is an extra space here. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, and if you see size actually. So Dell is little less the size wise, and yeah, the dimensions. Yes, Dell is very compact. XPS is very compact. So that is also the latest version of it. Okay, so fine. And Dell has come with a touch screen. Yeah, and I will be trying to make the comparison video of like how the 2 months old MacBook like XPS is doing, and how is the performance of the latest version. So the one good thing that I see with the XPS is the performance as well as the sound system. So they provide with the Dolby Atmos, and the immediate thing which I feel very good with MacBook is the display. So display looks very stunning, and even though actually Dell is using only this maximizing the usage of this display, I feel actually this display looks little better, but I'll have to play some videos and see like how it goes. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Let's get connected again.
Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo, and this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos builds worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the